Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Politics. Jama Bharati. New topic discuss of India and Japan's relations and strategic deals, exchange of MOUs and various topics. First of all, India and Japan have a deep strategic and growing partnership rooted in shared domestic values and economics interests and regional security concerns. Here's a structured overview of their relationship, historical and cultural ties. Buddhism travels from the India to Japan's around the 6th century, shaping Japanese culture, art and philosophy. Rabindranath Tagore and Japanese intellectual exchanges in the early of 20th century. Post-India was one of the first countries of restore diplomatic ties with Japan 1952. Diplomatic relations. Japan and India share a special and strategic and global partnership 2014 regional summit level between prime ministers. Both are part of mutual forums like the Quad with the USA and Australia, G20, ASEAN related summit and UN reforms discussion. Economic and trade cooperation. Japan is one of the India's largest source of FDI. What is FDI? FDI is a foreign direct investment. Major Japanese companies Toyota, Honda, Sony, Panasonic, Hitachi have long-term investments in India. Infrastructure collaborations. Mumbai-Ahmedabad high-speed rail bullet train project. Smart cities, individual corridor, Delhi to Mumbai industrial corridor, trade Japan, export machinery, vehicles and technology, India export pharmaceuticals, IT service, seafoods and rare earth minerals. Security and defense. Shared concerns about China's growing assertiveness in the Indo-Pacific. Annual India-Japan 2+2 dialogues, foreign and defense ministers, joint naval exercise like Malabar with the USA and later Australia. Japan provides defense technology, corporations, radar system, cyber security, investment of technology and innovations, corporation and high technology, AI, semiconductor and 5G and 6G. Japan supports India's skill development initiatives, collaborations in space explorations between JAXA and collaborate with India agencies. Investment of energy and environment. Japan is helping India transitions of green energy to civil nuclear agencies 2016 allows Japan to supply nuclear technology to India. Joint efforts, climate changes and sustainable development. People to people ties in development. Growing exchange in tourism, education and cultural diplomacy, student and academic programs between institutes and Japanese universities. Indian diaspora in Japanese 40,000 people is small but growing. Recent deal collaborations. SMBC acquires a stake in Yes Bank $1.6 billion. Japanese Sumitomo Mitsui Banking Corporations SMBC is acquiring a 20% stake in India's Yes Bank, 13.19% from SBI and 6.81% of other major Indian banks. This landmark deals approved by India Corporations Regulation is one of the largest cross-border